Yoo-hoo! Oh, it's too loud! I'll be right there! This is how you make an entrance. Learn from the best, aka me. Make way! Perfection has arrived. Take it all in. I'll give you a moment. Yes, I'm real, and I'm breathtaking, aren't I? Wow! A surprise gift for me? I'll take that. No, I won't let you. It's mine! I saw it first!
Ah! Speaking about making an entrance… Hello?
Aw, mini versions of us!
Hi!
Wow, she spoke to me!
Hey there!
So cute! Our side of the suitcase needs an upgrade. Worry not, I got this.
Huh?
Hey, trust me. This'll work. I suggest we all take cover. 3, 2…
Run!
Uh-oh! And 1! It worked! Everything is covered in 24-karat gold.
Wow!
Boring. Now watch and learn. Your method was so old school. I prefer to use technology. Makes life so much easier. There we go. Paint job done.
It looks beautiful! I love this shade of pure gold so much!
Great. I'm just getting started. I got that in silver. I have 2. I also have 2. Oh, fine. Let's see who'll do it better then. Easy peasy. Both dollies will have 3 floors now. Huh? Oh, I see. The top floor will be the dressing room. A golden girl deserves a glamorous dressing room. It'll be worthy of a queen. A fabulous place to get ready. I have the same scarf in human size. Only the best skincare and makeup products for my little doll. Now the room is truly blooming. And here is the ultimate hair care station. Every day will be a good hair day. A comfy chair is a must. This'll be your throne. Ta-da! So what do you think?
Wow! I'm so impressed! And this scarf is everything! It feels so warm and soft! Oh, but my hair could use a makeover too.
We have a hair emergency! Okay, you definitely need some styling. So many split ends. Do it! I got this. Let's get rid of these first. Now the fun part. I vote for a braid. Like it?
So much!
Yeah, much better.
Huh? I want a dressing room too!
Aha! I'll decorate smarter, not harder. Come on, let's pick the furniture for this room together.
Time to swipe! Maybe? Aha! I love this! Yay! I call this super fast delivery! Every little detail is so chic and fancy! Diamonds are a girl's best friend! Hey! I deserve the best skincare too! Wow! So cool!
Yay! All great choices.
Time for a fashion show! I'm owning the runway! Serving all the looks!
Walk, walk fashion, baby! Strike a pose! Yes, queen! Slay! Gorgeous! Ugh, stop it! Ugh, fine. You complain too much. My eyes hurt. Hey, Dolly Goldie, what you doing there?
Getting all the tea!
You gals need a comfy sofa for that? Hey, your couch has arrived.
Yay! Let's sit! And continue gossiping!
Ladies, let's move those bodies.
Yay!
A couch and a cardio machine both. Nailed it! A coffee table to actually get the literal tea from. A cozy reading corner with a glamorous twist. A few timeless classics and some books a boss lady will need. Now for a touch of warmth. A golden fireplace. Voila! The living room is complete! Oh wait. Now it's complete. Hey, Want some s'mores? With all the work we've been doing, everyone can use a snack break.
Besties spending quality time together. Nom, 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 nom. So yummy and chewy.
Let's see your living room. Huh. I need to think. That's it. I know how I'm gonna decorate it. Let's do a vision board first. And here is my interior design plan. Time to turn this into reality. Purple goes so well with silver. I'm going for a sleek, modern vibe. Some cool refreshments. The couch goes here. Gotta have a TV for fun movie nights. A little blue adds the perfect contrast. Let's make this the ultimate fun room! Latest gaming console? Check. They can play together. This room has officially reached perfection! Come on, take a peek.
Wow! My room is ready too! I love it so much! What do you think? Yeah! This could be our funsies room! Who's winning?
Get it, girl! Ugh, they already forgot about my room!
Your fighter is the coolest!
Hey! Game time is over!
Aw, okay.
I wanna go back. Aw, I have something even more fun for you.
Yay! I can create viral videos!
That's the spirit. And in the meantime, I'll decorate your hobby room. A little inspiration, a lot of gold. A golden piano? Now that's music to my ears. This one is for a little artistic inspiration. A little brass brings a lot of class. A seat, a cello, and the perfect lighting. This room deserves a standing ovation! Come on, give me an applause!
Yay! I'll play a happy little tune for you. I composed this myself.
Yeah, I'm vibing. Let me play you some real music.
Aha! That's right!
Oh, hey, you're ruining a private concert!
I can't hear you!
Ugh.
Heyo!
What's up?
What about my bottom floor?
Right. I'll get to work. Time for something louder, cooler, and unmistakably silver. No music room is complete without a place to perform. A place for your Grammy Awards. And here is the production station. Turn up the lights and cue the music. A little disco, a lot of rock, and zero boring.
The star of the show has arrived!
Okay, backing track ready.
Gonna be silver!
Yeah, you're an amazing singer.
Let's perform together! I'm in! We're the coolest band ever!
Huh? Wow! Yeah!
Na 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 na.
Didn't think I'd ever listen to jazz. Same. But I can't stop dancing to the melody. You're thinking what I'm thinking? Yep. Then let's do this! You got it. The railways complete each other. Choo-choo! Wow! High five! We did it! Every room has its own touch of luxury on my side. And on my side, every room shines with attitude. Exactly as I envisioned. Flawless, polished, powerful, and packed with attitude. The contrast between warm gold and icy silver is mesmerizing. Oh, I couldn't agree more. And what about that railway? That was such a clever idea. Now the real fun can begin. Hop on! And fasten your seatbelts or hold on to something tight.
Woohoo! I can do this all day!
Can we go faster?
Can't believe our house has its own railway!
Yeah, it feels surreal.
And my neighbor is my bestie!
They're adorable. And are we besties too? We sure are!
The new house is ready! It's cramped here, move over! I don't like it.
Looks like it's Hubba Bubba time! No, chocolate will save the day here. Wow! Cool! These houses are huge!
Much better. Oh yeah.
We can celebrate with a treat! Mmm. Huh? Wow, it's so stretchy! I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need more Hubba Bubba. Turned out great, right? Time to melt some chocolate. Let's crush it up in here and light a candle. And now let's take marshmallows on a stick and dip them in chocolate. Mmm. Oh, this looks so delicious! I think I'll take some too.
Let's try it.
Oh, yeah. Alright, that's enough. Time to work on the roof. There we go, beautiful! And now let's paint the rest of it. We need a solid chocolate coating. Wow! Much better! Now let's blow a bubble. And stick it right here. Let's add a few more. Wow! That looks so cool! I hope she likes it. So, what do you think of the roofs?
I totally love it.
Me too. Shall we furnish the first room?
What does it say? Candy shop? Awesome! Yay!
Let's hang the sign here and put the fridge inside. Now let's add a shelf. And start adding different sweets. Oh yeah, yummy! Let's also add a table. And a few more matching decor pieces. There we go! It needs to have a sweet vibe. This table will be the counter. Let's add a cash register, a basket, and interior curtains. And that's it! Done! Awesome! Wanna come in?
Sure. I'll be the shopkeeper.
Wow, a candy shop! Sell me some Hubba Bubba, please!
Here you go.
Awesome! Give me some more candy.
Sure.
Mmm, yummy! Give me more!
Okay.
Maybe you shouldn't eat so much? Man, I didn't want to resort to this. What are you doing? Oh! Yummy! That should hold her over. I'm full. Let's start decorating the garage. Let's park the car. And also add a bike. Now let's set up a shelf and put a couple of nuts and bolts on it. Let's also lay down a rug. Tasty. Let's use this Oreo cookie as a base for the plant. A couple of decorative pieces, and we're done. Hey, check out the new garage.
No way! What a cool car! Let's see. Looks like there's an extra piece here. Take it.
Gladly.
Yummy!
The ground floors are ready. Oh, you okay?
I'm tired.
I think I have something for you. Let's also add a rug. So soft. Let's lay a mattress with pillows on top and leave a couple of treats. Awesome! Now let's take the bubblegums. Mmm, yummy. Let's use them as a blanket. Put it back here. And also hang some curtains. Alright! Looks like the bedroom's ready. Hey, wanna check it out?
Just in time. Wow, what a cute couch. And the whole room looks amazing. Yay!
I'm so glad you like it!
Ahem. Don't I get my own room?
Sure. Let's put some chocolate pillows on your couch. Let's add a rug. And also set up an Oreo table and put something to read on it. Now let's hang a chandelier and add some decorative foil balloons. Let's set up a table, put a tablecloth on, and hang the curtains.
Hey! I want chocolate too!
Alright, here you go.
Thank you! Wow, this place is amazing! And the couch is so comfy!
Finally, now I can eat.
Oh, the top floor looks a bit empty.
I think I know what to do.
Let's put a bathtub here and fill it with this.
There we go. Perfect!
Now let's set up a mirror like this.
And line up different cosmetics.
Let's add a chair for comfort. Now let's lay down a rug and add curtains.
Beautiful! Just need to place this chair. There we go.
And let's also add this plant. Let's put it right here.
Aw, it turned out to be a total dream bathroom.
Oh my gosh, I have to try it out right now! But first, I need a change.
Okay. Wow!
I'm ready for my bath!
Whoa! Enjoy!
Oh yeah, this is so nice.
Wow, bubbles! So fun! Oh, cool.
Excuse me, but can we fill this space with something?
You're right. I'll take care of it. First, let's set up this stage here. Now let's hang some curtains. And also add this disco ball. Let's put a piano here and add a stool to it, just like that. Time for the chocolate boombox. I won't eat it. Let's play some music on it instead. Oh yeah. Let's liven this place up a bit. Now let's put a table here and add something to snack on. Let's lay down a small rug. Perfect. And finish it off with this beach chair. There we go. Now the music room is ready. Hey, are you ready for the concert?
I sure am! 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh yeah, sounds awesome.
Time to add some fun to this house. Let's place this jar of Skittles here. Also, for maximum fun, we're gonna need a slide.
Perfect! Now let's release the Skittles! Hey, look at this!
Woohoo!
Not bad. Whoa! What's happening? Whoa. What's that? Wow, it's a chocolate slide! Awesome! Time to use the Kinder Surprises. Let's make a pool out of them. Just like that. Wanna try it?
Amazing!
Phew. I think it's safe to say we're done.
I love this house. This chocolate style totally suits me.
Wow! I hope my house turned out great too.
Are you kidding? Look at this Bubblegum palace! I love it!
Yeah! We are the best!
Let's have some fun!
Look at them have a pillow fight! Girls, your order is here. You need to pay for it. I've got this. Oops.
I have some money.
Don't worry, I'll handle it. Well, let's see what they brought us.